Hello, you guys. So today I'm going to be going over my Unit 6 photos with the artificial photos, the artificial lighting photos, and the natural lighting photos. So let's start off with my first artificial one. So this is a picture of my front porch where the light is there and then it has the Davises on it, which is our last name. I decided to take this photo because it was something that I just saw as I was coming home from work, and I decided to go inside and grab my camera and take a picture of it because I thought it was something very unique, not something that a lot of people still have. So there's that one. I didn't really edit it at all. This was just the raw picture that I took. The next one is pictures of my nieces and my nephew. These were just their newborn pictures, and I decided to take a picture of them because they are very pretty, and I thought it would be something fun to take a picture of. Um, and this one is artificial lighting as well, just lighting in my house. Um, Again, I didn't really edit this very much. I think I only added a little bit of saturation to it so that we could see a little bit more of the color. The next one is a light that is in my kitchen. It has very different little swirls on it, so I decided to capture a picture of it. And I also really like the tile that is on the wall. And of course, this one is also artificial lighting. I just thought it was different, not something that is really captured a lot. So I decided to capture a picture of it. So there's that one. Again, I didn't edit this one at all. This one is the raw image. The next one is a picture of shower heads that are in one of the showers in the house I live in with my parents. And I thought it was just really different. You don't really see two shower heads in one shower all that often, so I decided to capture a picture of it. And I thought the light from the roof of the on the ceiling looked really cool shining down into the shower, so I decided to capture a picture of it. And this line down the middle right here is glass that is in front of the shower. And of course, I can't move that, so I just left that in. And then I also did this one in black and white. I thought it would be really cool since there wasn't a whole lot of color in this picture, so I decided to do this one in black and white, and I think it turned out really great. I think I actually like it better in black and white than I do in color. So there's that one. And now we are on to the natural lighting photos. And all of these I took on different days that I just so happened to capture. And I love all of these photos I took. So this one, these were just flowers outside of my grandmother's house. And I really love them. And so I captured a picture of them one day as I was leaving her house. And I do carry my camera around for this exact reason because you never know when you're gonna see something and you might want to capture a picture of it. So these are those flowers. I did add a little bit of saturation to it because it did look a little dull. So I added a little bit of saturation. So there's that one. The next one is just some clouds that we had on a really clear day, and the cloud formation just looked really cool to me. So I decided to capture a picture of it, and I didn't really edit this photo very much at all. This is the almost essentially the raw picture I took. I do believe I did add a little bit of saturation because once again it did look very dull. The next one is a picture of an airplane. I was out in a field taking pictures of one of my friends, and this airplane was going on by, and so I decided to capture a picture of it, and the sunset looked really cool, so I captured a picture of that. This is a really pretty picture to me. I think it's fun. Definitely a picture that I've never taken before, so I really enjoyed this picture. And this was the friend I was taking pictures of on, or whenever I took a picture of that airplane. This one's really fun, and this one is also natural lighting, and I didn't really edit this very much. I did add a little bit of saturation just to add a little bit more color back into it because it was sunset, and so it was a little bit dull. And I did this one in black and white as well, and I think it turned out great. Definitely something that I love and a picture I am proud of because she was jumping up in the air, so it was a little bit difficult to capture, but I think it came out great. So there are all my photos. I hope you guys like them. And yeah, there you go, you guys.